This gun can discharge projectiles rapidly due to an intriguing spinning device within. Just observe how many projectiles it can fire off in a few seconds. This is a luxurious shower set, perfect for royalty. No matter what you're looking for, whether it be a light spray, a heavier dousing, or a more powerful shower, you'll find the answer here. This awesome appliance employs the wonderful force of suction to lift any object with remarkable effortlessness. The individuals concerned are obviously captivated by their activity, and with good motivation. They're participating in a virtual reality shooter, which can become quite hostile and harrowing. Do you hate having to go to the bathroom when you're gaming? Well, now you don't have to. This one is for all the gamers out there. Although an oxymoron, it is within the realms of possibility to conceal a key in a secure safe with this remarkable item. No more exhausting trips going up the stairs with heavy items. This trolley will do all the work for you. Physics has come up with an amazing solution, hasn't it? This item is completely insane. It showers water in the form of the current time. Everyone who has seen it is absolutely captivated. This technology allows you to explore your house through a virtual experience and even to modify it so you can imagine how it would feel. A GPS tracker that can clandestinely be placed anywhere so you can pinpoint its exact location. It is so discreet you will only be able to find it if you want to. You can put it anywhere and it will remain there. Processing this is still a struggle. The rate of speed at which these bars spin is so high that it allows for images to be formed in what appears to be a void of air. No one will ever anticipate this. Think about taking out your taillight and discovering a firearm inside of it. Be wary, this hammer is not as innocuous as it appears. It can perform any task. This nifty contraption has bendable frames for scooping up fallen produce with minimal damage. Very useful if you're prone to dropping items. With this remarkable product, you can attach clips to your boots, making it possible to scale trees and possibly frozen ice too. These road spikes are a great way to stop cars from going on the wrong route. No difficulties for cars driving correctly. If you're wanting a clock that will be the focus of your room, our selection is sure to satisfy. This compact implement can easily bear the weight of your entire body. Attach this sticker to your commode and your intelligent lavatory will turn the lid to guarantee the utmost cleanliness. The presence of 3D billboards is rapidly increasing due to their potential to astound individuals, and it's clear this appeal is still very much in effect. This desk is capable of being folded and hung on the wall at your convenience. For all you smokers out there, this one's for you. This amazing gadget is a cigarette lighter and can store your smokes too. The Hexonic Smart Tire is a must-have for those who take long drives. It can provide real-time data about the condition of the road, helping you stay informed about how your car is performing during your journey. These boots are perfect for your next rough journey. Just look at how easy it is to tear through this cardboard. You don't want to be left out in the wild without them. Elon Musk was pleased with the ability of this robot to handle a full-time cleaning task for your bathrooms without displaying any aversion to their odor. This fascinating invention can remove excess fur from your clothing, something a lot of people would surely appreciate. No longer is there a need to worry about items slipping from your pocket and getting trapped in the abyss of your car seat. With this product, you can store anything you want without any chance of it getting lost. This contraption is incredibly helpful for construction workers as it has the potential to move up nylon ropes and even lift objects much heavier than itself. Quite an interesting device. With the portability of this practical item, you can bring your bed anywhere and sleep comfortably, no matter where you may be. Don't fret if your kitchen skills aren't up to standard, these chainmail gloves will protect you from any injuries. Are you admiring the coconuts up in those trees? Make sure you have a comfortable way to get up there with this product. 4 torches powering a single one, this allows you to adjust the radiance to whatever you desire. It may seem absurd, but we assure you this contraption can be quite useful as a ladder. Check out this ingenious surfboard, allowing you to surf without relying on the swell of the ocean. Observe the amazing results. This small motorbike is a sight to behold with its phenomenal color scheme. It's slim enough to maneuver through traffic with ease, making it the ultimate ride. Truly, it's something special. Are you tired of dirt and debris? Well, rejoice! This spray can take away nearly all residue with ease. No more having to put in the time and effort to scrub away all the grime. This product is the embodiment of the classic game Jetpack Joyride. It has enough power to lift and carry individuals for extended periods of time, making it very practical for military applications. If you're taken by jellyfish, this is the perfect adornment for you, whether it be in your office or home. It's sure to bring lots of joy. The Wolfer stripping machine boasts an impressive capability to tear apart metal sheets from the floor. An object encircling the car tire. No need to manually shovel the snow on your car anymore. Use this blower for a much easier job. This structure appears to be from another world. It is reminiscent of a spacecraft, and its design is remarkable, unifying modern architecture with futuristic elements.